You're living in the age of entrepreneurship. Opportunities are everywhere, and the barriers to entry have never been lower. The internet has leveled the playing field, allowing anyone with a vision to turn their dreams into reality. Now, anyone with hustle and heart can build a business from scratch, regardless of their background or resources. Digital dropshipping is your ticket to this exciting world. It's a revolutionary way to start an online business. It's a low-risk, high-reward model that minimizes upfront costs and maximizes potential profits. You sell products online without holding any inventory. How does it work? It's simpler than you might think. You create an online store. Customers place orders directly on your site. You forward those orders to a supplier who handles the rest. The supplier ships the product directly to your customer, ensuring a seamless experience. You focus on what matters: marketing and building your brand, creating a loyal customer base. Digital dropshipping is about freedom. It's about living life on your own terms. You work from anywhere, set your own hours, and be your own boss. The possibilities are endless. Imagine this. You sell stylish phone cases online. A customer in New York buys one from your store. You receive the order and send it to your supplier, who has a warehouse in California. The supplier packages and ships the phone case directly to your customer. You never touch the product, but you make a profit on the difference between your selling price and the supplier's price. This is dropshipping in a nutshell. It's simple, efficient, and perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs. No need to invest in inventory up front. Focus on building your brand and finding customers. Advertising is your engine for growth. It drives awareness and attracts potential customers to your brand. It gets your products seen by the right people at the right time, increasing the chances of conversion. Social media is your best friend in the digital age. It allows you to connect with your audience on a personal level. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok have billions of active users, providing a vast audience for your marketing efforts. Target your ads based on demographics, interests, and behaviors to reach the most relevant audience. Don't forget about Google Ads. It's a powerful tool for capturing search intent and driving traffic to your site. When someone searches for a product you sell, your ad can appear at the top of the results page, increasing visibility and clicks. Influencer marketing is another powerful tool. Influencers have built trust with their followers. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their engaged audience. Remember, content is king. Quality content drives engagement. Create eye-catching images and videos that showcase your products in the best light. High-quality visuals can make a significant difference in attracting and retaining customers. Section 4. Targeting triumphs. Finding your perfect customer. Imagine trying to sell vegan protein powder to meat lovers. It just won't work. This is why understanding your target audience is crucial. Who are they? What are their interests? What are their pain points? Once you know who you're targeting, tailor your ads accordingly. Use language that resonates with them. Showcase products that solve their problems. Facebook Ads Manager and Google Ads provide powerful targeting options. You can target by age, gender, location, interests, and more. Section 5. Actionable steps. Setting up your first ad campaign. Ready to get started? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, choose your platform. This is crucial as different platforms cater to different audiences and have unique features. Start with one platform, like Facebook or Instagram. These are popular choices due to their vast user base and robust advertising tools. Next, define your target audience. Knowing who you want to reach will help tailor your message effectively. Be specific. Age, gender, interests, location. The more detailed, the better. Then, set a budget. Start small and scale up as you see results. Craft compelling ad copy that speaks directly to your audience. Highlight the benefits of your product. Show how it solves a problem or improves their life. Use high-quality images to make your products stand out. Visual appeal can significantly impact engagement. And finally, include a clear call to action. This directs your audience on what to do next. Tell people what to do next, like shop now. Monitor your campaigns closely to understand what works. Track your results and make adjustments as needed. This helps in optimizing your campaigns for better performance. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Innovation can lead to unexpected success. Digital dropshipping is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and persistence are key. Stay consistent, stay persistent, and you will succeed. Remember, every step forward is progress.